Good morning. I'm Storm Track Meteorologist Evan Bedron. Take a look outside right now with our KSNT camera. See the sun begin to rise off in the distance and mainly clear skies across the majority of northeastern Kansas to begin your morning. As you know, there's really no cloud cover except for maybe far off into the distance with our KSNT camera. And as we also take a look with our downtown Topeka camera, you notice a little bit more cloud cover and temperature is in the middle to upper teens. Also, our breeze out of the west and northwest still continuing around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Making it feel now like 9 degrees, so almost 10 degrees colder once you factor in our breeze out of the west and northwest. Taking a view with our satellite radar, notice our small ridge of high pressure begin to move west to east throughout the rest of Colorado into the western portion of Kansas. It's going to give us a little bit more sunnier skies for our day today, but we do have our area of low pressure beginning to develop further into Idaho and parts of northern Utah. It's going to slide towards the south and east as we go throughout our day today, bringing us our rounds of snow for our Monday, and I'll be taking a close look at that in just a bit. But right now, taking a look for us here in northeastern Kansas. Again, mainly clear skies across the area, a little bit more cloud cover beginning to stream in from the north. Just lightly scattered cloud, not overwhelmingly overcast skies expected for our day today. Like I said, there is snow in the forecast for our day tomorrow, so we are under a winter weather advisory that is in effect right now through our day on Monday to 6 p.m. Due to the snow, we are expecting also the overwhelmingly cold temperatures we're expecting for our night tonight and into our day tomorrow. Taking a look at our temperatures right now across northeastern Kansas. A lot of us in those middle to upper teens, a little bit more colder air as you go towards the northwest. You know, it's KSNT, 13 degrees, and then even colder in Concordia, 12 degrees now. And once you factor in that breeze out of the west and northwest, now we're all starting to see these single digits begin to pop up. You know, it's 4 now in Lawrence, 3 in Hiawatha, then 2 in Concordia. So make sure you do have the jackets, coats, hats, and gloves ready to go as you do head out the door, because it is a very cold day today, and we're expecting the cold air to continue as we go into this afternoon and evening. Temperatures today rising, but only into the middle to upper 20s. Later on tonight, dropping down and now into the middle to upper teens. And then for our day tomorrow, temperatures back to about where we're expecting later on today in the middle to upper 20s, as we are expecting snow to arrive for our Monday. And take a look at our future wind chills. As we go throughout the next few hours, wind chills now in the lower single digits. There is a possibility of maybe sub-zero wind chills along the Nebraska border. And as we go throughout the day, not much warmer of a feel to the air than what we're experiencing right now. Wind chills now around 4 p.m. just before dinner time, around the middle teens. So again, like I said, make sure you do have the jackets ready to go, because it won't be warming up at all throughout the day today. And so as we take a look at our future track, this is our first model we're going to be looking at. Cloud cover increases from west to east as we go throughout the night tonight. And then our snow arrives for our Monday. There's a possibility of some early morning flurries, but the bulk of our snowfall potential will be holding off until later on Monday morning into our afternoon. This model shows the bulk of our precipitation to be south of I-70. And I don't know if I can agree with this model, because a lot of the models have been pointing to more of a northerly shift in the band. So many areas north and northeast of I-70 could be seeing the bulk of our snowfall potential. As you notice, much more darker blue as you go along I-70 and to the north. Early on in the day, even going into our Monday afternoon, we're still seeing that bands of snow still continue to push west to east. So again, a lot more snowfall should be around I-70 and to the north, and lower snowfall amounts as you sink towards the south, and then we clear out as we go into our Tuesday. And taking a look with our snowfall projection, again, areas along I-70, so from Kansas City over to Dickinson and Clay counties, could be seeing anywhere from 2 to 4 inches. And to the north, you notice purple, still 2 to 4 inches, but this is our higher probability of seeing maybe 2 to 4 inches is to our north along the Nebraska border into parts of northern Missouri. And as you look towards the south of I-70 now, maybe 1 to 3 inches. And as you continue to go further towards the south, now maybe more of a trace to an inch of snow. But long story short, we will be seeing snowfall tomorrow, anywhere from 1 to 3 inches across all of northeastern Kansas. So make sure you do have your snow brushes ready to go, and you are keeping an eye on the forecast as we go throughout our day today. And temperatures, again, a little more on the colder side as you go through our Sunday and Monday, middle to upper 20s. A little bit more warmer weather on the way for our Tuesday and Wednesday. Now we're back into the middle to upper 30s. And as we continue to work our way through the first week of December, a little bit more of a colder day for our Thursday, but temperatures back into the middle to upper 30s for our Friday, and now into the lower 40s for our first weekend of December.